So, dear children, today we shall begin Behind Book, lesson number 9, The Bond of Love. See the title, Bond of Love. There is a bond of love between a lady and a small bear, baby bear. So, that love, we shall read how it goes in the story. In the introduction, it is written there, can there be love and friendship between human beings and wild animals? So it is a question. Maybe there may be a bond of love between a wild animal and a human being. Let us read a fascinating account of an orphaned sloth bear that was rescued by the author. The author of this story has rescued a bear and it was reared, it was looked after by his wife. Sloth bear inhabit forest areas including the tropical rainforest of India and grassland at lower elevations. Sloth bear have very shaggy hair and long muzzles. Using their claws to dig, they can then use their lips to form a tube which can go deep into the ground and into hard to reach areas like dead trees for their food. Their main food is termites. So the main food of a bear is termite. They eat termite from the trees, from the hollows of trees. You can hear them suck up their food from several feet away. Now the story begins. I will begin with Bruno, my wife's pet sloth bear. I got him for her by accident. Here the writer begins here that my wife got Bruno. Now, what was the name of the bear? Cub bear. His name was Bruno, and it was accidentally it was given to her accidentally. 2 years ago, we were passing through the sugarcane fields near Mysore. 2 years ago, writer and his team were passing through a sugarcane field in Mysore. People were driving away the wild pigs from the fields by shooting at them. People were driving away pigs, wild pigs from the field, from the sugarcane field. Some were shot and some escaped. Some pigs were shot, some escaped, some ran away. We thought that everything was over when suddenly a black sloth bear came out of panting in the hot sun. Then suddenly what happened? From the sugarcane field, a panting bear, हाँफता हुआ सा, panting means हाँफता हुआ सा एक bear वहाँ से sugarcane के खेत से बाहर निकल के आया. Now I will not shoot a sloth bear wantonly, यानी मैं एक sloth bear को वहाँ नहीं मारूंगा, नहीं गोली मारूंगा उसको, क्योंकि बगैर किसी कारण के wantonly means बगैर किसी कारण के, without any reason, I won't shoot at the bear.